everyone. Welcome to Chinese Begin. This is Chinese in 3 minutes. I'm Ella. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to learn some easy ways to greet others in Chinese. Okay, let's begin. You probably learned 你好吗 and 我很好 before. But in China, people will usually ask this question and answer it in a different way. First, let's review. If someone says 你好吗? 你好吗 means how are you? You can say 我很好. 我很好 means I'm fine. There are some other ways to answer. 挺好的,挺好的 and 蛮好的,蛮好的. They are mean about pretty good. We also have 还可以,还可以,还可以 means so-so. And 还不错,还不错 means not bad. Okay, let's look at our question again. 你好吗? This is the most well-known way of asking how someone is. You could use it when you want to be polite. But now, let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. And these ways are more casual and much more common. First, 嘿,最近怎么样? Hey, 最近怎么样 means how is it going? If you are feeling good, you can say 最近还可以,最近还可以 and 最近还不错,最近还不错. They are mean about I'm fine. And you can also have 最近挺好的,最近挺好的 means pretty good. If you are not feeling good, you can say 不是很好,不是很好 or 不怎么样,不怎么样 means I'm not good. Okay, the second question is 最近忙吗?最近忙吗 means are you busy recently? You can answer this like 还好,不是很忙. 还好,不是很忙 means it's okay, not busy. Or 有点忙,有点忙 means a little busy. This is often used in the meeting between acquaintances. It's a way for the conversation to get started. Okay, that's all we have learned today. If you have any questions, please tell me. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!